Hi, I'm Ash and this is Lockie. In 2019, we packed up our lives in Australia to move to Europe to build our van Tommy. After 3.5 incredible years of adventures, our journey came to an end after being involved in a car crash. We've been back down under for 8 months, shed countless tears, experienced much frustration, hired a lawyer, and now finally we have a conclusion. Join us and subscribe to our channel as we head back to Europe to be reunited with our boy Tommy. What is the verdict? Keep watching on to find out more. So we're just at Sydney Airport ready to board a flight back to Europe. So we are going via Singapore to Munich, and then we will get a rental van in Munich to drive back to Austria and go get all our things out of poor Tommy. He's a write-off, so we're going to have a busy few days.
Well, here we go. See you later, Australia. Just going through the emergency procedures. What are your thoughts?
Hope we don't die.
I think we're prepared for the situation. Yes, Ashley.
How's it going?
3 hours in.
We're 3 hours to go.
3 hours to go.
4.5 hours.
We've just made it to Singapore and it is so hot. Oh my god, we've walked out and it's freaking dying. It's humid as shit. We've got jumpers and snow jackets. It's hot as crap. Oh my god.
Got yourself a nice trolley?
Yes. We're doing 5 hours here, so we're doing a walking tour of Singapore Airport.
So, come along with us to the journey. We heard it's a really good airport, so we're looking forward to 5 hours here and also to stretch our legs.
And to get Singaporean food. So important.
So much delicious food. What are you doing?
Ordering your food. Oh, sorry. I think on this one. 1A.
What are you eating?
So I have the wonton noodle soup and Ashley has the chicken rice.
Michi? Rice? Chicken rice? I don't
Traditional
know.
Singaporean, I think.
Yeah.
So I'm inside the Butterfly Museum at the Singapore Airport, or the Butterfly Enclosure. Pretty cool. What do you think?
It's pretty fancy.
Don't do the typical thing you do.
But it's fun.
It's not fun.
How was your flight?
Very good, thank you, but I'm a bit tired. I had about 5 hours sleep.
Better than none.
Food was disappointing. Breakfast was rubbish. Lufthansa heavily let me down. Singapore Airlines, you're great. Lufthansa, you suck balls.
The dinner was nice.
Yeah, breakfast was
I enjoyed
That's
breakfast.
a freaking
It didn't make me
sandwich.
sick.
I think I won't be travelling with Lufthansa again.
We didn't plan to.
Yeah, well. Where are we?
We're on the train in Munich. We are going to Lahm station to pick up a rental van, a little rental van to hire. So we've got it for a few days to drive, so we can drive it to Tommy and clear him out tomorrow. So big few days ahead.
Yep, it's all very exciting. But we're finally here in Munich. Ready to live our best life.
Living our best life.
Cleaning out a broken van.
Yeah.
So we've just picked up the van that we're going to be using to pick up stuff out of our van. Funnily enough, it's a Ford Transit as well. But it is extremely flash. Check it out. What do you think of the new Ford Transit?
Smells new.
It's very nice, 6,000 Ks on the clock.
Brand new.
Yeah, excited?
Yeah, let's do this. How does it feel?
Feels good to be driving back on the right side of the road. It's a bit strange though, trying to keep inside of the lines when you're on the other side of the car. It's weird. It's going good though. Very nice van.
Very luxurious compared to Tommy.
Yep.
So our friends greeted us with a beautiful welcome home sign where we're back in Jochberg in Austria. So we stayed here last night, we saw everyone yesterday, and now this morning we're up early to go meet the lawyer and to go get all of our things out of Tommy. So it's going to be a big day and probably a sad day, but we've been waiting to be back here to go back to Tommy for a long time now. So it's been 8 months since we left Europe and just over 8 months since we had the car crash. So yeah, it's been a long time coming. Ready for a big day?
Ready for a very big day.
Okay, off to Lien's today.
Off to Lien's to empty the van, see the lawyer, hand in all our paperwork, and clean out the van.
Hopefully get our payout from insurance.
Yeah, I doubt it's going to happen today, but yeah.
Be nice.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. So we just met with the lawyer in Lien's just about the insurance claim, and then the lawyer's also selling like Tommy as a wreck. So we're just trying to organize all the paperwork, so it's just very confusing. Like, just there's so many different countries involved, it's crazy, but hopefully it'll be all sorted very soon. So we're just heading to the tow truck yard now to clear out Tommy, and yeah. Ready?
Tommy. Yeah.
He looks exactly the same as when we left him. He's in really good condition. Sorry, it's a very emotional day. But yeah, it's good to have some closure, I guess, and be back.
Let's build of all your bones and mine. Please don't disappear. It's not what you think it's gonna be like, but nothing ever is in this life. It's a slow dance in paradise. When the world's on fire, look for my eyes. I know you wanna go, and I don't blame you at all.
So we just finished cleaning out the van. It's all done. It's very sad to see him go, but it's been a good 3 years, so hopefully someone else can enjoy it. Hopefully.
It's a very full van. There's a lot of stuff.
Tommy was the best. It's a really hard day to say goodbye properly, but everything happens for a reason and we're on to bigger and better things, so I'm sure this is what's meant to be, and Tommy will either get repaired or used for parts, but he's been really good to us.
Look from my eyes. Look from my eyes.
That's it.
Little token memory. Another one to add.
Yep.
See you, Tommy. So we have woken back up in Austria this morning, and we are headed to take the rental car back to Munich in Germany. Yesterday afternoon we cleared all of our things out of the van from it, and we're lucky that we have Austrian parents who let us stay here and store all our crap here, so we've cleared it out into their garage until we sort out what we're doing. So yeah, another big day driving to Germany, and we'll get the train back, so maybe go for a cheeky pork knuckle in Munich today, so that's exciting.
This morning, since we had to take the rental van back, we're just gonna spend a little bit of time exploring Munich again, which we have done many times, but it's
Mostly
just
just for the pork knuckle.
it's a beautiful city, so we're gonna have a look around again.
We're walking to a beer garden to have lunch. It's such a nice day here, so good to sit outside and, you know, the full German experience.
What do we have here?
I'm having Schwein pork belly.
And I'm having Schweinbraten, Haxen. Very good.
Schweinehaxen.
Oh, very good.